Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Google Nest Hub Max versus Amazon Echo Show 15 and which one is best. As you can see here, I have a quick AI overview of these two. Let's dive right in. So when we compare the two, the Amazon Echo 15 has a larger screen as compared to the Google Nest Hub, and it has better pixels as compared to the Google Nest Hub Max. Now, Amazon Echo, of course, uses Alexa as an assistant, whereas Google Nest Hub uses a Google Assistant. Now, both of these have quite unique features. Both are great for smart home control, video calls, and using a great ecosystem. For example, for Google Nest Hub Max, we would use Google's ecosystem, whereas for the Amazon Echo 15, we would use Amazon's ecosystem. Now, again, in my personal opinion, I would say that the Amazon Echo 15 is inferior as compared to the Google Nest Hub Max, because at the end of the day, Amazon has a much wider fan base and much more interactive system, which is something that I would personally prefer more as compared to Google Nest Hub Max. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.